Hi guys, it's Megan here. I'm going to be doing the comparing blueberries slide on my choice board. It's one of the 3 that I picked. So the scenario we can get right to. Ashley and Mike were picking blueberries. Ashley had 19 blueberries and she ate 10. Mike had 13 and picked 7 more. Compare Ashley and Mike's blueberries after Ashley ate some and Mike picked some more. So let's go to our place value charts and use some base 10 pieces to determine how much blueberries each person has and how much they lose or gain. So first, let's look at Ashley. Ashley had 19 blueberries. So let's go look at Ashley's. As we can see here, I have 19 laid out. We have 10 because it has a long, so that would be 10. And then we have 9 over here, so that would be 9. So 10 plus 9 would be 19 blueberries. Now it says that she ate 10. Now if you eat them, it means that you're going to be taking them away. So the easiest way I would do this is, since you know that a long has 10 in it, and then you know that there's only 9 ones. Now, if there was 10 ones, it would be a little bit different because we would have another long. But since there's a 10 here, if she ate 10, then we need to just take this 10 away, and she will have none over here. So how many blueberries does Ashley have now? We can see she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. She has 9 blueberries. So she has less than the amount she had before. Now let's take a look at Mike. Mike had 13. So let's go look at Mike's. As you can see here, 13 would be 10, so a long, and 3 units. So he has 10 here and 3 here. Now it says he picked 7 more. So he's gaining 7 more blueberries. So we need to just add 7 more blueberries . Whoa. Four, 5, 6, 7. Let's make sure. So he had 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So now let's count how many he has over on the one side, how many units he has. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can change that to 10. Now, think about it. If there's 10 units, isn't there a 10 frame or a base 10 piece that we can use to make 10 units into? So, as you can see, this is a long. Longs have 10. So this over here would all go away and transfer over to there. So that would be that one that I just put over there. And so over here, he has 0. But over here, if there's 2 longs, that would be 20. So Mike gained. He gained blueberries. So as we can see, he has 20 blueberries. So let's go look at Ashley. Ashley has less than Mike, as you can see, because she has 9 blueberries, and Mike has 20. So Mike has the greater amount of blueberries than Ashley.